You're now just one step away from launching your rewards program in goLoyalty. After setting up your rewards, pop-out messages, text snippets, and emails, it's time to bring everything to life. In this step, I'll show you how to turn your rewards program on or off and choose when rewards are given, completing your setup and officially activating your program. Like and subscribe to keep up with what's new at Epic Shops. From the Rewards page, go to the Settings section. The Setup tab opens by default. Under Use Rewards Program, you'll find a toggle switch. Turn it on to activate your rewards program. This lets customers start earning points and rewards. You can turn it off anytime to pause the program. When the program is turned off, customers will stop earning new rewards until it's re-enabled. For this setup guide, let's keep the rewards program on. Under Choose When Rewards Are Given, click the Please Select dropdown. Here, you'll see a list of order statuses that come directly from your BigCommerce store. You can choose one or multiple statuses to trigger rewards. For example, let's select Pending and Awaiting Payment. Your selections will appear as tags below the dropdown. To remove one, just click the X next to it. Once your triggers are set, credits are automatically applied to logged-in customers. No manual work needed. When you're done, click Save. And that's it. Your rewards program is now live and ready to engage your customers. Start rewarding loyalty, encouraging repeat purchases, and turning every shopper into a returning fan. Anytime you need help, click Get Help at the top right. Epic is right here when you need us.